Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter BIOS on Acer PC or laptop in Windows 11. First of all, what you have to do is open settings on your Windows laptop or PC. Go to settings, click on system, and then select recovery. Now in the advanced startup, you have to select restart now and then click on restart now again. Once your PC or laptop has been restarted, then you will see this kind of interface instead of your normal Windows. Simply click on the troubleshoot, click on advanced options. Here, simply you have to select UEFI firmware settings. Click on restart. Now your PC will restart once again. As you can see, now your PC or laptop will reboot into the BIOS mode. So that's simply how you can enter the BIOS mode on your Acer laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.